Meet Mary. Mary is mute. She learns about a pre-trained AI model that can convert sign language gestures into spoken words and sentences. Mary finds Canvas that lets her put ML model into sensory board. She creates wearable glove speaker. With that, Mary can speak to anyone she likes. Canvas is an online development environment to put ML models into edge devices, including mobile, Raspberry Pi, Arduino, and other IoT devices. It lets you update, visualize, train, and compile ML models with Python, C++ notebooks, easily shareable with the world. So, bring out your favorite device and choice a pre-trained ML model and make your device a smart device. With Canvas DIY projects, you can make your home smart with applications like smart switches listening to your voice command, smart door jar alerts, smart lights, and other smart IoT projects. Canvas supports framework including TensorFlow, PyTorch, keras, and deepC. Check out our free platform at cainvas.ai-tech.systems.